Hi guys, this is my second date here in Calgary and I just came back down to the Bow River as well. Just going to climb over this bit of ice, and I just came back down to the Bow River because I'm going to go to Princess Island, which is meant to be a nice little island in the middle of the river. What I learned yesterday on the tour is that Princess Island, I can't remember his first name, but some guy whose last name is Prince, basically owned a logging company and thought it'd be a good idea to dig out the river to make the water deeper, to make the logs flow a bit more smoothly. Unfortunately that didn't happen, and he actually ended up draining the river and creating this island, and they named the island after him. So pretty funny. It's definitely one thing I did notice about Alberta, which is quite different to a lot of parts of Canada. They have such a sense of humour. It is actually hilarious the amount of things that they have here. Just as I'm walking along the Bow River as well, so another thing about the river is that it actually comes from a glacier up past Banff, and basically glacier drains out into Bow Lake, gets to the Bow River, and this river actually supplies Calgary with 80% of their fresh drinking water, which means their tap water is glacier water. It's just like a small little patch of land in the middle of the river, and it's kind of mainly like little bushes and shrubs. There isn't too much wildlife right now because it's winter, but there is a few beaver dams and a couple of birds, and it's a pretty area to visit. I think Mr. Beaver is having a little fun here. Came into the Chinese Cultural Center, and there's actually a free museum downstairs. You just have to say it to them at the front desk, and it's just like all these ancient China artifacts. It's just so cool. If you did like this video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like or a comment. I'd also really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button as well, so you can see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.